If you're looking for a better way to handle your daily family schedule, then look no further than the Skylight Calendar 2. I'm going to break down all the features, the pros and cons, and everything you need to know about this 15-inch touchscreen smart calendar. Come check it out. Now, just going over the outside the box of some of the features. You got calendar auto syncing, seamlessly connects all your online calendars, chore chart, manage daily tasks while encouraging positive habits for your children, organization tools, tackle to-dos, groceries, and dinner plans. And it also comes with a free Skylight app to update your calendar anytime, anywhere. Now that's a cool feature, so that if you're out, you can add it to it and it'll pop up at home on your calendar. And it looks like it's broken down by color schemes. Mom's is pink, dad's is green. Looks like the kids are different colors as well. This is great for us. With my wife managing the house, managing homeschool, and all sorts of different things, this will be a better calendar to separate all those activities and daily tasks that my wife has set up. Now, some of the items that are included, the 15-inch touchscreen calendar, power cable and adapter, wall mount, screws, and wall anchors, if that's what you want to do. Unless you have a seamless in-wall setup, I prefer it just on a stand so that the cable's not in the way. And we chose to go with white for our calendar too. Now, as we open it up, you can see the big calendar 2 displayed on the front, and a great saying for all families, especially ones that homeschool: goodbye stress. Now, that's the hope with this calendar 2, is to alleviate daily stress on getting calendar tasks and schedules all in one area, so it's a seamless integration in our daily lives. Now, jumping in the box, looks like we got the 15-inch Skylight calendar, and with this QR code, you'll download the app, and it's got a little white frame on the edging too to keep it protected. You got your power cable, quick start guide. You got your wall mount if that's what you're interested in, with wall anchors. And you got your stand, which is what I'll be using. So we'll get this set up and started, and we'll see how it fires up and how the screen looks. Now, some of the cons to think about with the calendar 2 is the Skylight Plus, which is a premium feature for the calendar. Without the Skylight Plus, you cannot use photo screensaver, you can't use meal planning, and you can't use Magic Imports, which Magic Imports seems like a really cool feature, which you can convert emails and PDFs into events in your calendar. And meal planning for a family of 5, this would be amazing as well. Plan the whole week's meals in 5 minutes and never answer what's for dinner again. That can take a lot of stress out of our family's lives and my wife's life by having a meal planning feature on this calendar. Now, after you connect to Wi-Fi, you enter the activation code that is required by Skylight. Now we have the activation code, we are connected, and we can confirm our time zone. And first impressions, I really enjoy this sleek design, this very modern look. The touchscreen is really nice, and the response is really good. They did a really good job at setting this system up. Now, this interface is really easy to manage and understand. On this left side, you got calendar, list, tasks, rewards, meals, recipes, photos, sleep, all right at the touch. And look how easy, look at the response. It's really quick. Now, if you're managing homeschool, daily meetings, chores, meals, it's all right there. One of the great features of this calendar is you can sync up, whether you're using iCloud, Outlook, Exchange, or Google Calendar, all integrated into this calendar. Now, what's also great is it has natural language input. So you can simply type in lunch with so-and-so at noon tomorrow, and it will automatically pick the date and time correctly and input it into your calendar. Another feature is the ability to set up tasks, establish routines, keep track of chores, build healthy habits. As you can see on the left here, Frank has his little agenda task that he has to do, and you can bubble it out when they're done. The kids also have brush teeth, get night clothes, find tidy, wash face, all for individual selection. Now, the pros of this calendar too is it's very sleek, very clean, very easy to use. I like that it has the ability to sync other calendars all together, so you're not missing out from all your different accounts. You can all seamlessly integrate them into the calendar too. And the notifications and the easy use of the sidebar here for different items, whether it's recipes, meals, rewards, tasks, or just a list of to-do lists, grocery lists, etc. Now, is this calendar worth it? To me, it was something that I always wanted for my family, and my wife kept asking me for it. But what really set me back was the price. It's not cheap. The original price on this is $2.99, and we actually got on sale during Memorial for $2.49. And the $50 off definitely does help. It does come with a 4-month return policy if you don't 100% like it. I do like that they are confident in their product, that they give you a 4-month return policy. That's really well. Usually it's 30 days on most products. So the fact that they did that shows that they're very confident in their product. And just looking at it, really seems like it's going to be a great product for our family, especially with homeschool. My wife's home with 3 kids, doing groceries, teaching the kids, doing a lot of stuff, tasks when I'm at work. So this is going to be something that we really use and enjoy, and I hope it continues that way. Now, if you enjoyed this content, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you're not missing out on my weekly videos. And hope you enjoyed this one. We'll catch you on the next.